Hi, welcome to this week's Fundraising Friday. This week we're talking about writing a project plan. That's the part of the grant application or the proposal to a donor that talks about how you're going to solve the problems that you've outlined in your needs statement. 3 things you want to do to write a quality project plan. First of all, you want to make sure you answer those standard journalistic questions of who, what, why, where, when, how, and how much. You want to tell them exactly what you're going to do, when you're going to do it, who's going to get it done, for how long. Make sure you've got sufficient level of detail in there that someone could theoretically replicate what you're going to do and solve the problem. What you're doing is you are drawing a picture in the mind of your reader of exactly what you're going to do, and you want them to leave that section feeling like they have a handle on exactly how you're going to solve this problem. Second of all, you want to make sure it actually solves the problem. So if your needs statement outlines a particular challenge with the clientele that you're working with, make sure in your project plan you talk about how you're going to solve that. Sounds simple enough, but I've read an awful lot of applications where it doesn't follow from need to solution and then explaining how the plan helps to solve that. Third and finally, make sure you are very definitive in what you're going to do. Chances are life's going to happen, things are going to change. Maybe you aren't exactly 100% sure how things are going to roll out, but you want to make sure you're writing it as if you are positive. We don't use the word might or we're thinking about, we use the word will. That again puts confidence in your readers that you are on top of the solution and you're an expert. Chances are things won't roll out exactly how you outline them, but that's okay. That's when you go back to the funder after you've received the funding to say, hey, we thought we were going to do this, but here's what's intervened and we're going to do that. Chances are if you stay true to your intent, they'll be fine with that. That's this week's Fundraising Friday. Thanks. Have a great weekend.